Fuck, no! Fuck, I lost all of my money. Hello guys, today I will trade on Bybit. And as you can see, I already have 2 red positions. So I entered exactly here to long and it's going down. And another position I entered exactly here and it's going down. So as you can already understand, I'm noob on crypto. And today we will see if it's possible for a beginner to make money in trading, or if this requires some special skills. Okay guys, as you can see now on my balance I have $500, and today we will see how much I will earn or how much I will lose. As you can see, I still have loose positions, but never mind, because today I will earn money. Okay guys, let's find another crypto to trade. For example, this one. Oh, this crypto going in the same rate, so we will not earn money from this crypto. Let's find another one. Okay, as you can see, this crypto is going long, so of course we will buy long. Okay, and now I have 3 red positions. As you can see, I lose already $4. Guys, I really don't know how to trade. That's why I just buy, sell, I do randomly things. Okay guys, as you can see, I already lose at $10, $11. So reverse the position, reverse. So I entered the position here and it's go down. That's why now I take a short position. And as you can see, I already have on my balance $15 less. So only per 3 minutes I already lose at $15. And now as you can see, the position start going long exactly from my reverse point. Also, as you can see, another positions are also red, so I lose my money. Okay guys, and as you can see, after reverse is going only long, so I already lose $20, so I need to close this position because I will lose much more money. So as you can see, I already lose at $13, and it's very sad guys, I have to get even. That's why now I will take short from this point. So just wait, he's coming. So just wait until it's going here. No! So I wanted to wait until here, but it started immediately go down. So I didn't have time to enter the position. And as you can see, I lose it a lot of money. But okay guys, I will risk and take here short. Yes, it's going down. It's first position where I have earn money. Green, as you can see, first time. It can crash now. I know it. It will go like this.
A few moments later.
Fuck, it's going long. What the fuck? I will lose my money again. Minus $5. And as you can see, all of my positions is still red. So first position, I open it here and it's coming down. So I will close this position. So I'm scaring. After trading only 10 minutes, as you can see, I already lose at $17. That's why now to earn money, I need to risk all of my $400. And I will short here. Okay guys, as you can see, I start earning a lot of money already, plus 14.23. So close position or not, I don't know. So I decide to wait until this graphic will go down. And as you can see, I already earned $30. But as you can see guys, it started going long, so I lose it again $13. So as you can see, I already have $378. So as you can see guys, every time I lose it my money and I never earn even $1. And after half an hour, as you can see, I have on my account $0. So I lose all of my money only per half an hour. So guys, if you don't know how to trade, I don't recommend you to do this. Even if you are lucky and first time you will earn money, after you will continue trading and you will 1000% lose everything what you have. So for me it's not a lot of money, I lose them just to show you that trading is not work. Also subscribe on my channel and watch this video.